Welcome, ladies and gents. Who said indulging in lavish products are strictly reserved for special occasions? Today, I've partnered with Sephora, a classy woman's destination for everything luxe with the best assortment of luxury brands for you to play with to the heart's desire. Everyday luxury can be so effortless, and today I'm here to show you how with this crazy rich Asian inspired look for the fall season. Show me your style of glitz and glam by using the hashtag #Luxe@Sephora. First, we will begin with the face, starting with an even coat of foundation. Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation is a lightweight, medium coverage liquid foundation that gives your skin a luminous glow, leaving a silky smooth texture. Now, pick up a flat foundation brush and start by applying on your cheeks and then the rest of the face. Next, we will be using a soft sponge to evenly blend the moisture all over the face for an effortlessly even canvas. Now, take your time to fill in your eyebrows as they are truly important to frame the rest of your face. Set the face makeup from slipping and sliding, we are using Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. This is a universal 100% talc-free, weightless setting powder with light reflecting particles that instantly blur imperfections for an invisible natural skin finish. The trick is simply use a loose powder brush and, in a gentle rolling motion, spread the powder to absorb excess oils. Now, to achieve chiseled cheekbones that's sharp like a smart tongue, I recommend taking your favorite contour powder and slide the product right below your cheekbones. Next, take a loose rounded bristle brush and blend the shade upwards towards your ears in a soft circular motion to ensure blended shadows. Tom Ford's Shadow Extreme is every girl's diamond dream. Its long-wearing, ultra-pigmented single eyeshadow in silver is a lavish way to adorn your eyelids with magnificent jewel tones. This look is made to be easy. All you need is one eyeshadow brush, and the rich pigments will take you to the next level of glamour. Now, take a clean blending brush and drag the silvery shadow outwards in a V motion to create the illusion of an eyeshadow wing. This will give your eyes a sultry feline look. Moving right into eyeliner, choosing a plum shade from Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil is a wonderful way to give the appearance of voluminous lash line while still keeping your eye look simple and elegant. Now, build upon your lashes with Milk Makeup's Kush Mascara, taking your lash line to new heights. Now, I've always believed a healthy flush to the cheeks is one way to tell the world you're happy and in love. That's why Laura Mercier's Rose Pink Blush is a perfect expression of a rosy sophistication. Next, we want to add a touch of light to your face where the sun would naturally kiss you, like your cheekbones and the tip of the nose. Now that you're naturally glowing to the heavens, it's time for Guerlain's Rouge G Satin Lipstick in a powerful orange red. This unique mirror casing is made easy for the classy girl on the go. Just pop the capsule open and you'll find your own reflection. A strong, beautiful woman with red lips. Finally, a woman must have a signature scent, and her look is not complete without splashing a touch of fresh aquatic notes of wood sage and sea salt cologne by Jo Malone London. The scent is interlaced with mineral scents of the rugged cliffs, mingled with the woody earthiness of sage, a fragrance that is lively, spirited, and joyful. And with that, I hoped to have showed you that everyday elegance can be easily achieved. Thank you for being my wonderful audience, and I hope to welcome you again soon.